Hey folks, today we're looking at a Halloween layout, a little miniature layout that originally came from Microtrain's line. We have the Microtrain's standard short base here, the wooden base, and I believe they still offer this on the Microtrain's website. And the little village here is Booville, Halloween Village. And within that village, you have a number of different buildings. You got the train station, and you got various little shops and houses and stuff like that. The cider shop and the Spooky's costume shop and various other buildings here, little haunted places, and the Nightmare Factory in the back there. And I added another building as well. We've got the Maitland mansion in the corner over here with the little yellow station wagon. It's not a Volvo, that one. That's actually a Volkswagen miniature, but I couldn't find a Volvo miniature that would go with it. So that's the Maitland's yellow station wagon there. We got a little beer cart there. We have little ghostly citizens around. You can see one over in the cemetery over here, and others, little ghosts around the town here. And this one right now, the train set that's on this is an older set. It's a steam locomotive, and it was the Cemetery Central. So that was this set right here, the Cemetery Central. And you can focus in on that if you want to read on it. You can still find these things on eBay here and there. They usually go for, pretty high price. They're fairly collectible, but it's a nice runner. This particular locomotive was manufactured for Microtrains by Atlas, if I recall. It was Atlas that manufactured that for them. And then, of course, all of the rolling stock is designed and manufactured by Microtrains. So here we go. Let's get her going here. This is not digital. It's analog. I've got it running on an old Bachmann analog power supply over there. And there we go, running around the town. The little this is the Cemetery Central train set. This one here. See if I can get a close-up of the cars as they go by there. You can see you got the little flat car there with some coffins and a old horse-drawn hearse unit, and then you got a car full of bones there, and then that Have a Spooky Halloween. That's actually a Broadway limited sound car. It's not working right now. It works, but on analog it doesn't do so well. That one really likes a digital track. It likes that pure, 15 to 16 volt standard AC voltage going through the track before it kicks in. I can show you if I speed this up to a crazy speed. I don't know if you can hear that, where when you raise the voltage, it's trying to kick in there, but it's just not working. That's way too fast anyway. I never run my trains that fast normally. But unfortunately, this particular locomotive is right now is DC only. Now, I ordered some stuff to digitize that locomotive, but it didn't come in time. I was hoping that it would come in and I'd be able to upgrade that locomotive, and then we'd have that sound car doing all the various sound effects from Broadway Limited. And then the next car after that is another hopper car. It's got basically a little portable cemetery, rolling cemetery in it, kind of cute. And then we've got the bay window caboose at the end. Looks like a burial chamber or something. So, but that's our layout for Halloween this year. And I do have there's a base unit that goes inside the round circle of track there from Microtrains. I believe you can still get those from them as well. You can't get the town. You can't get the Booville town. You can find those on eBay if you're lucky. But Microtrains doesn't sell any of that village stuff. They stopped selling them some years ago, but they still have the tables. And like last year or the year before, I remember seeing that they had some of the round bases. So there's a raised base that goes inside this circle of track where these buildings could stand up on that and be above. But I don't know why. I kind of like it better without that raised base. And I don't know. I just feel like it looks better with the train on the same level ground as all the buildings, and the buildings, not raised way above the train. And also, I found that some of the locomotives tend that circular base is very tight in that circle of track, and the trains, some of the longer cars will start to scrape against the base as they go around the track, which is undesirable. So there you go. Just a short video showing what we've got out for Halloween for a train set this year. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you all have a happy Halloween and also enjoy the rest of the holiday season this year. Bye for now.